I like big portions of the caviar.
Welcome to the Grand Del Mar.
The butter-poached Alaskan king crab featuring golden nose-toucher caviar from Northern California, the shellfish beurre blanc, and lebni.
The definition of an exceptional restaurant is one that has an identity. I think we really focus on a tasting menu that has the proper progression.
Within the shell you will find pickled Asian pear, Santa Barbara sea urchin, and a champagne emulsion.
Opening 2 courses tonight. This is Louis Roeder Cristal, the 2009 vintage.
You know, when you start a tasting menu, it should have things that are very crisp, chilled, light, high acid.
Avocado mousse, sliced cucumber, ponzu vinaigrette, and a sesame croustillant. Bon appétit.
And then move through to have some like different other types of variations of fish.
So for this course we have our gently baked wild-caught Scottish king salmon dusted in fennel pollen with hibiscus tea poached beets, green apple.
Just a good menu with a lot of great textures, flavors, and very well balanced.
This here is the Musc de Provence, poured over aged Gouda, toasted rye, and crispy shallots.
Our readable pane, potato puree, Iberico ham, and a lovely dill reduction to finish the dish.
This is the Calab de Boeuf, which is the calf of the ribeye, commonly referred to as the butcher's butter in France. Along with it, you'll find the cremouche gratin, potato croustillant, and beef tartare, sauce bordelaise.
Service is such a key thing to haute cuisine because with great service it elevates the meal to another level. The backbones to what we do in the cooking here is French in terms of technique, discipline.
Yeah, I've learned a lot. It's been a great place to learn French technique and learn about like details, you know.
So we get a lot of influences out from different chefs. So it's a great melting pot of cultures here.
So on this side is the meat station. Plate up meat on the far right. Behind you is the fish station. Plate up fish. Amuse-bouche, first courses, and cheese on the far side, and garde manger around the back.
I think the most challenging thing to being a chef would be consistency. Some restaurants have great ideas, but if you can't execute on your ideas, you become inconsistent. You just learn how to maintain it. That's just practice. You know, the repetition of maintaining something is important, and you learn from your mistakes. We all make mistakes. I think that's the beauty of this business, because you're always learning, you're always growing, and you're always understanding that there's always something out there that you can learn. For every day that a chef works, it's maybe 2 or 3 days for a regular 9 to 5. We age rather quickly in this business. I began cooking because I just love the freedom to be a chef, and something I still enjoy to this day. I think it's very interesting that you can take something of a raw product and turn it into something that people just enjoy and they remember for many years. So, you know, that I think it's the connection, you know, that you can really satisfy people on so many levels. You know, there is always passion at what we do, but we also understand that, you know, with passion you have to be very mindful. I am a big fan of meditation over the years. It helps kind of ground you. But there's so many aspects to a chef. It's not just, you know, the cuisine aspect, so there's so much to learn on a daily basis. Cuisine and things like styles change, and I think what people are looking for nowadays are things that are authentic. When I was, I'd say, a younger chef, I was a little more emotional because you're really trying hard to bring people together. I think now with the status of the restaurant, the longevity that I've been here, the team that I've built, I think they really do an amazing job motivating themselves. And they actually motivate me now. We hire here on desire.
This is like my mise en place for the station. It'll say what table also, how many people, if it's gluten-free, dairy-free, any allergies, and then the ticket as well says the table number and each course.
You know, I think the most emotional things for me in this job is to see people that have actually succeeded here on many levels move on to be even more successful in other establishments. My advice to young chefs would be to be patient. We live in a very impatient world, and with cuisine you have to be extremely patient. Attitude is the main thing. And with the right attitude you can teach consistency through repetition. When you have a can-do attitude and you're very positive and you're excited and you want to get in there and prove yourself, you become very consistent that way.
And motivation.
Absolutely.